How can you see into my eyes like open doors? Leading you down into my core, where I become so numb without a soul. My spirit's sleeping somewhere cold until you find it there and lead it back home. Wake me up inside. Can't wake up. Wake me up inside. Call my name and save me from the dark. Wake me up. Bid my blood to run. Can't wake up before I come undone. Save me from the nothing I've become. Now that I know what I'm without, you can't just leave me. Breathe into me, make me real. Bring me tonight. Wake me up inside. Can't wake up. Wake me up inside. Call my name and save me from the dark. Bid my blood to run. Before I come undone. Save me from the nothing I've frozen inside without your touch, without your love, darling. Only you hold the life of my
All this time, I can't believe I couldn't see. Kept in the dark, but you were there in front of me.
I've been sleeping 1,000 years, it seems. Got to open my eyes to everything.
Without thought, without a voice, without a soul. So when we die here, lost beside the pole.
Bring me to
Wake me up.
wake me up inside.
Can't wake up.
Wake me up inside. Call my name and save me from the dark.
Wake me up.
Bid my blood to run.
Can't wake up
Before I come undone. Save me from the nothing I've become.
I've been living a lie.
Ah ouais, le kick,
Il est trop long en fait. Tranquille, hein. T'inquiète pas, ça va passer. Il y a plus personne du tout,
It starts with
One thing, I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind. I designed this rhyme to explain in due time. All I know, time is a valuable thing. Watch it fly by as the pendulum swings. Watch it count down to the end of the day. The clock takes life away. It's so unreal. Didn't look out below. Watch the time go right out the window. Trying to hold on to didn't even know I wasted it all just to watch you go. I kept everything inside, and even though I tried, it all fell apart. What it meant to me will eventually be a memory of a time I tried so hard and got so far. tried so hard. In spite of the way you were mocking me, acting like I was part of your property, remembering all the times you fought with me, I'm surprised it got so. Things aren't the way they were before. You wouldn't even recognize me anymore.